iron rich layers, they get corroded faster as compared to the nickel rich layers. We know that iron gets corroded faster. Okay, so when iron is getting aged faster, you will see that the iron rich layers become thinner as compared to the nickel rich layers. So you will understand what I am talking when you see the result. So this is the result that we have got. So these are the nanowires. This is the scanning electron microscopy of the nanowires. So as you can see here that, so the one which is having a larger diameter, that is the nickel rich layer, the segment which has a smaller diameter, that is the iron rich layer. Because iron rich, this got corroded faster in HMOP. And I have also varied the potential during the pulse length. You can clearly see that with the iron rich layers and nickel rich layers, right? They have the length is same. So you can see this. We have created this diametrically modulated nanowires and also diametrically modulated nano screws, which are magnetic nano screws. Okay. You may ask me that what are the dimensions? You can see that the dimension. The diameter of the nickel rich layer is 350 nanometer, diameter of the iron rich layer is 150 nanometer. And you can clearly see that we can even control the length of the iron rich layer, which is the constriction part, by varying the pulse length. Okay. And we have done this magnetic force microscopy imaging to see whether we can store the data bits in there. So you can clearly see that when I take this nanowire, which is not constricted, it is just like a one side it is showing a north pole and second side it is showing a south pole, which means that it is storing the domains as the bits. So you can say that it is just like a bar magnet, but in nanometer size. Okay, it is maybe 300 nanometer diameter with some few micrometer length. So when I did the magnetic force microscopy imaging on the constricted nanowires, you can clearly see that there are bright and dark contrasts throughout the nanowires, which means that we can be able to store data bits in 1 and 0. Okay, I don't want to discuss